YouTube? So what I'm gonna do tonight is show you how to install a LED high beam for the 2018 Honda Accord Sport. I got this here off of Amazon for 50 bucks. A lot of the guys on the Accord forum have been running with them, so I picked them up. The part is 9005. Cross reference for is HB3. So I'm gonna head over to the car and show you how to get it out. Alright, so the driver's side is accessible without doing much. I'm working with one hand here, so bear with me. I already got these installed, so just kind of give you a short walkthrough. But driver side accessible, not to remove anything. Just unplug, plug in a bulb, whatever you use, and you're good to go. If when you plug it in it doesn't work, just flip it over, put it back in, should be good to go. So let's go over to the passenger side. Okay, passenger side. Get you a flathead. There's this little rivet clip deal on the washer fill tube. Stick in there, pop that out. That's the only thing you need a tool for. You're going to want to unscrew this cap right here, which goes to your one of the reservoirs. I think it's maybe antifreeze. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know. But unscrew that, pull the hose out, and get you a paper towel or something to set up there, set on top of. Tricky part here is going to be getting this tube out. It was for me, at least. There's this clip down in there that holds it in. I'm not sure if you can see it. On the back of it, there's this clip right there in the middle that holds that in. You're going to want to press on the back of that right here to get that clip up. So press on the tube and then just kind of lift. So what I struggled with was getting this out. Basically at this point, take your washer, the washer fill tube, twist it like so, this way. It's gonna turn a little bit, and then at that point just wiggle this out until it's completely out. So just give it a pull, it'll come out eventually. You might have to work around some stuff or whatever, but give it a pull, it'll come out. Alright, so once you got that guy out, sorry about the light. Once you got that guy out, you can take your washer fill tube, twist it in, and then just give it a pull. And that pops out. Once you get that out, there's your bulb. Unplug your existing one, put your new one in. Like I said before, if it doesn't work the first time, flip it over, and there you go. To reverse, to put it back in, everything back in, you want to put that reservoir, the bigger tube, back in first, and then your washer fill, put it in whichever way you twisted it, pull it back, line it back up with your rivet spot, of course, and then put that back in there. So I don't know if you can see this. When you put your LED in, you're going to want to have your chips facing left and right. But this is the low beam, the Fox are on low beam. And here we go with the high beam. So that color matches perfect with the factory. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get a good look at it so close. Like I said, I'll get a couple of night shots here in a couple days, next few days, so stay tuned to that. But yeah, great match. We'll see how they perform at night. Here's the throw on the wall. Pretty much the same pattern I was getting from the halogen bulbs. Yeah, we'll see how they perform outside at night, but yeah, that's how you change your high beams in the 2018 Accord. Got any questions, comments? Leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button. I'll be showing some more things I've done to my Accord Sport. Thanks, guys.
Watch me turn it down. Watch me turn it down.